Hey guys, Sean Terry here, flip2freedom.com. Hope you're doing well. Absolutely beautiful day here in Laguna Beach, California. About 75 degrees and sunny. All right, so you got no money, you got no leads. What do you do? So when I first got started, I didn't have a marketing budget at all. I had about $100. And I bought a pre-foreclosure list, and I took that list and I went and knocked on pre-foreclosure doors, and that's how I got leads. Now, that was an incredibly difficult. I had to drive all around the planet, had to knock on doors. I got people that pulled guns on me, had their dogs chase me down the street, vacant houses, literally it was, people yelled at me, screamed at me. It was terrible. So what do? What would you do now in this day and age? That was back in 2003. Now that you have the internet, it's so predominant, you have Redfin, you have Zillow, you have all these sites. What I would do today, if I had no money, no leads, what I would do is nationally, you can do deals nationally all across the country. I would go on Zillow and look for for sale by owners and on Craigslist, those two sites right there. And I would search for sale by owners, and I would just pick up the phone and start calling people and having conversations. Listen, they want to sell, especially now in this market. They're looking for someone to help them do a deal, move their property for them. And for whatever reason, they wanted to put the property on the MLS. There's a lot of property on Zillow. There's a lot of motivated sellers that want to move their houses. So what do? Give them a call, have a conversation with them, and there's a high probability that you could get that property under contract and be able to sell it and find a buyer in that market, or potentially put it on the MLS, list the property, get the property sold for them if they don't care how you make a profit. Now, that's what I would do. You got thousands, if not millions of properties across the country on Zillow, all across the United States that you can target. And I would look for small towns outside of major markets, like small towns outside of Austin, small towns outside of Atlanta, small towns outside of Charlotte. Those are great little markets where there are people looking to sell their properties, but there's not a lot of demand like there is major markets. So small towns, about an hour and a half outside of major market, there's not a lot of competition. They're sitting on a house right now. They want to sell it. What do? Pick up the phone, have a conversation with them, and see if they want to sell. You can generate business. Now, here's the thing. Once you get one deal, just one deal, then you can take 25% of that profit on that deal, reinvest it into marketing, and then starts your business. If you reinvest back into marketing, you reinvest 25% back into marketing, then you can create scale, because then guess what? You get another deal. Now you got marketing coming in and you're calling for sale by owners. It doubles your lead flow, and then you get another deal, another two deals. You reinvest 25% back into marketing. Your marketing budget increases from $500 to $2,000 to $1,500, to $3,000 to $5,000. Now you have a $5,000 marketing budget. Well, guess what? Now you've got some leverage, and you can really start building momentum when you have a marketing budget that size, and it just continues to grow. So I hope this helps, and please like and share. Hit the like and subscribe button if you could. But this will help you grow your business. You don't need a ton of money to get started. That should never be an excuse that I don't have money to get started. Well, guess what? If you have the internet and you have a cell phone, you don't need a dialer, you don't need a list. All you got to do is pick up the phone, start calling people. The more people you call, the more people you talk to, the more offers you make. Guess what? You're going to get that deal, and that deal is going to allow you to contract it, sell it, close it, make revenue, and reinvest back into marketing. That is the secret to the business, how to literally bootstrap from nothing. Hope this helps. Go out, like, and share. Have an awesome day. God bless. It's pretty nice out here, out by the beach. Wish you were here with me, because it's super nice out here. God bless.